Bernard, they let you prove you're a mass murderer with Perlita as many times as you want with that group. Doesn't matter whether they were mine or not. They know that you guys were in those houses. They know your behavior, Bernard. That's what it's for. So, you're the idiot, Bernard. The group of you always have been. The Antilla Zen now then. Like I said, Ryan and them showed me some things. So, point is, Bernard, you're a thief and a liar and a rapist and a murderer. That's what they wanted to figure out about those streets. Remember, Bernard, you're in a time of warfare. And guess what, Bernard? I know for a fact that the group of you men didn't build some of those houses. So, you can profess with the Hillbilly Squad, Julie and Red Randy and your constructor team or whatever, your band of Mary Four surveyors, Bernard, whatever you fucking want, but you ain't God of the earth. You're thieves and murderers and liars. And that's all you'll ever be. You ruined it here and everywhere, Bernard. I know you didn't create it. I know you're the ones, Bernard, that fucked it all up. Now Karen and them can trust in you all they want, but like I said, how fag do you want to be, Bernard? And if you're gonna tout the rainbow with Perlita and that cult or whatever, they gave you guys your deepest, most profoundish wish in the world. Don't you get it yet, Bernard? The stuff doesn't belong to any of you anyway. And that's what they're proving. So, you could pretend all you want and yap away like you're some badass Freeman, Bernard. But like I said, I can already tell you that the big word is going to be no. Just like the last time, and the time before that, and the time before that, and the time before that. So you can assert all you want that you're some dominant ruler of the earth and cosmos with the Antilla Man and the All-American, but they already know that like pretty much 95% of the people in your carnies are all liars and you're fucking dipshits for one because of a one name, and you plastered it right on the side of your supposed white perfection. So that's your fucking problem, stupid ass, for one. And then number two was even fathoming and looking at another one. So I already know that you're fucking dumb shit, Bernard. So when there's another set of them involved, that means you're even a bigger dumb shit, Bernard. And if you can't understand what one letter already means and it's just over your fucking head, while you got three of them posted all over the place like a bunch of doofuses, then well, you know it, Bernard. I gave you a nice little chart. We broke it down for you, Bernard. Take a look at it. We gave you a nice little chart, and if you haven't understood it by this time, well, that means that you and that group that you're working with have to be some of the dumbest human beings to ever exist on the fucking face of the earth. I mean, you want to profess to be from a star or a fucking dark planet, and you can't even fathom. My God, Bernard. I couldn't have made it any more easier for you today than I have at any time that you've dealt with this. Point is, Bernard and Perlita, Karen, Jim Hall, Bill Duvall, Steve Jones, Morgans, whoever else is helping you, Bernard, it means you're full of shit, you always will be, and you're a moron, a rapist, and a murderer, and a liar, Bernard. And so is Ellery. Getting there to pretty much be Joe, I'm sorry to say, and the Oyster Cracker Man. It kind of means that the group of you in there, Bernard, have to be some of the dumbest people to exist. So take a look at the chart again. I couldn't have made it any easier than I have today for you. And if you can't accept it with Perlita or whatnot, that's not my problem, that's yours.